Okay everyone, Whisk AI is back. If you have been looking for it, the platform has officially moved to Google Flow and it's better than ever. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it using your Gmail account and how to navigate the new Whisk Lab interface within the Flow tools. We are going to generate some cinematic images and then I will show you how to animate them into high quality 16:9 videos. And this is one of the best free AI tools out there right now. So let's jump right in and start a new project. Okay, how do we access Whisk AI? Okay, we can pass through Google Flow to access it. Or we can just go ahead and say Whisk AI. Okay, this is it. You click on it. Whisk Lab Google FX. Oh, that is it. You can see that welcome to Flow. We're in Google Flow now. Thank you for being a Whisk user, image and video generation. I've moved to Flow. It means that it has moved to Google Flow. Get started with Flow. Click on it. Then we come to this. You say new project. You click on new project. Wow, you can see now, you can see that you're already in Google Flow. You must have your Gmail account to be able to access it. And if you already have Gmail account, it will be easier for you. You come to the left-hand side there, you can see tools. You click on tools. Then you scroll down in search of Whisk. Yeah. We can access Whisk using Google Flow. Okay, you can see here, you can see Whisk. This is it. Whisk. We have Whisk now. Yeah, it brings us to this interface. We have the scene, we have the subject. As you have been using Whisk AI before, we see have most of the settings, they are okay and they are perfect. Okay, let us create something and click on this. We have an image prompt, you paste it here. Then I go ahead and generate an image and let's see what it gives to us. Yes, you can see that we have it now. Let's click on it and see. Okay. That is that we're using a subject, and if you can do it here, we'll click on this. Then we go ahead and generate the image using the open platform. And this you can also use and animate this also. I've generated an image using the subject platform. So we are going to be doing this and see the image properly. Wow, you can see now this is very nice. This is good. This is what we have been looking for. This is Whiskey. I've downloaded it. Let's see it. Let's view the image. The image is very cinematic, very clear. Oh, this is nice. This is good. Oh, this is nice. We can also animate it. We can decide to animate it. We have it here already. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, which one are we animating? You can see now. So we come to this place, you choose video, you choose ingredient. Okay, generation we use. Okay, I'm not using the mini, I'm using VO. Okay. I can decide to animate any of this. Oh, let me look at the one that we actually, okay. I can decide to animate any of this and click on this three dot and click on animate. Choose ingredient, video, 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm generating one video. I'll click on this and paste the animation prompt. Then I click on submit and see what it gives to us. You can see that Whisk AI image generation is very sharp and it is very, very cinematic. Okay, we have it now. Let's click on it. Let's see what we have now. Wow, this is nice. Okay, let's download it now. Let's see how we download this. Let's see how we download this. I choose the original size. Okay, this is how you can access Whisk AI. Is already in Google Flow. You can see you can go back to Whisk, click on Whisk. You generate images, you use the subject, the scene. I'll be bringing more tutorials on how to leverage on Whisk AI, the free AI tool to generate image and also to generate animate video. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.